So current is the driving force behind penetration, is the backbone of penetration. And just like a volume on a stereo, the more you turn it up, the more penetration you're going to get. The more you turn it down, the less penetration you're going to get. Torch position is crucial because it can affect your penetration depending on the angle of the torch. The steeper the push, the more penetration. The shallower of the push, the less penetration you get. Also, the tip to workpiece distance can affect penetration. Technique is vital in welding because it affects your travel speed, your torch angle, and tip to workpiece distance. Remember, welding is unique and every application is different. Mastering these three factors can help produce a repeatable and consistent weld every time.